Today we are going to make another banana blossom recipe. This is kind of a bite that you can keep around 3 to 4 weeks and eat. We can cook banana blossoms in so many ways. Once I cooked banana blossoms with jackfruit seeds. If you didn't see that video, you can watch it from the above link. We need these simple ingredients for this recipe. First we need to have a bowl of water ready mixed with salt. Then we need to clean the banana blossom and then chop it into fine thin pieces. There are few different ways of cutting this. You can use any method as far as these banana blossom pieces are fine and thin. The parts you chop, you need to immediately put into prepared salt water to avoid any discoloration. Once you are done cutting, wash this with salt water, squeeze any excess water and transfer chopped banana blossoms into another bowl. Now we can transfer this banana blossom into another pan and mix it with salt. Now heat oil in a deep pan and fry banana blossoms under medium heat until they become golden brown and crisp. Once you are done with frying all banana blossoms, transfer them onto a tissue to remove excess oil. Now we need to repeat the same process for sliced onions also. When frying curry leaves, we don't fry them a lot. Frying less than 10 seconds is more than enough. We need to quickly get them out of oil to ensure there is no discoloration and the flavor of curry leaves remain intact. Then cut dried chilies into fine pieces and fry them too. Now it's time to fry dried sprouts. Before frying, we need to clean and wash them thoroughly. Instead of dried sprouts, you can use small dew fish too. After that, heat oil in another big pan and add chili pieces into it. After adding chili pieces, we need to reduce the flame to low. Then add salt, sugar and fried dried sprouts. Combine all together and turn off the flame. Then add all fried ingredients into this and combine thoroughly. After mixing all together, check whether salt and sugar are enough as per your taste. If not, you can add more. Once this cools down completely, we can put this into a glass bottle. Make sure your bottle is well cleaned and dried up before putting this. If you try this recipe, don't forget to share some photos in my Homemade Happiness Facebook group. If you like this recipe, like the video, comment and share with others. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and ring the bell too.